Hey guys, James Miner here with American Surplus, and today we're here talking about both vinyl and canvas hampers. You know, vinyl hampers are tough. They're reinforced to resist tears, punctures, and abrasions. Canvas hampers are going to be recommended for health clubs, hotels, and locker rooms. On my left is a 10-bushel vinyl hamper. It's going to be 3 feet long, around 24 inches wide, and sits around 32 inches high. On my left is an 18-bushel canvas hamper. It's going to be 42 inches long, about 30 inches wide, and sits around 37 inches high. Both styles come with a 3-inch polyurethane swivel caster for easy maneuvering. Now, American Surplus is your home for both used and new vinyl or canvas hampers. American Surplus has a large quantity of all different sizes from 6 bushels up to 20 bushels for used vinyl and canvas hampers. If you're in the market for a used vinyl or canvas hamper, give American Surplus a call at 800-989-7176 or check out our website at americansurplus.com. And I'll see you guys next time.